Hi everyone, this is Will from Das Keyboard. I'd like to show you how to remove and install the keycaps for Gamma Zulu switches, which can be found on some of our keyboards. You'll notice in the video that there's a slight flickering from the LED lights. This doesn't happen in person, it's just because of the refresh rate on the video. Let's start. We're going to go over the keycaps on the small keys like you would find on the home row, as well as the larger keys like the spacebar that sit on stabilizers. Make sure the keyboard is unplugged so that the LED black lights don't blind your eyes. The tools you'll need are just a keycap puller like this one. What you're going to want to do is get your keycap puller and place it on top of the keycap like so, and make sure that whenever you pull up straight vertically. Don't wiggle it. The reason for this is that underneath the keycap you'll see 4 stems that sit onto the switch itself. So if you were to wiggle it while you were pulling it up, or pulling it from a weird angle, there's a chance that you could snap one of those stems. With the spacebar, it's the same thing. You want to take the keycap puller and place it in the center of the spacebar, and then pull up straight vertically, for the same reason as previously stated. What we'll do now is place the keycaps. So sit the keycap on top of the switch until there's no resistance. Make sure that the top of the keycap is aligned with the other seated keycaps. You'll then want to push firmly straight down on the switch to seat it correctly. Make sure you're not pushing it down on an angle or you may break a stem. Give it a test to make sure everything's good to go. Same thing with the spacebar. Sit it over the switch in the center and make sure it's also sitting on the stabilizers on both ends. And then you'll want to push down on the left, middle, and right hand side of the spacebar to get it to seat not only on the switch but also the stabilizers. Once again, test for tight fit. Have a nice day.